If you're looking to turn your trike into the ultimate indoor smart trainer, the Wahoo KICKR Core is the way to go. Your trike must have a standard derailleur like this in order for it to work with the Wahoo KICKR Core. So why a wheel-off trainer? Eliminates tire wear, protects your outdoor wheel and your cassette. You can leave that cassette on the wheel and you're going to need a cassette on the trainer. And it makes switching between indoors and outdoors much easier. You can use the cassette or you can use the Zwift hub. When you get the KICKR Core, you should get these different pieces of adapter hardware. Now there's a set that's specifically for the quick release pins. You'd set this on the cog side. You have the one that slides in there. That's going to be the same for both. But on the other side, you have either the 130 or the 135 millimeter that you just slide right into there. Now, if you have the through axle type, on one side, you have this one piece that goes on the cog side. Two different options on the other side. One of them is 148 and one of them is 142. Most trikes and most bikes for that matter are going to fit this system with these adapters. And the next step is we're going to move the trike onto the trainer. So I'm going to use my 6mm Allen wrench to take this through axle off. There it is. When you pick this up, the wheel's going to be loose. And then position the trike where you need to go. Now you don't want to lay this down because you're going to be sitting right on that derailleur. So you want to line it up. You lift that derailleur out of the way. That top portion of the chain is going to go on the top of the cog. It's slipped in. It's seated all the way. The through axle, this one is in. That is installed. Now I'm going to turn this wheel. So you're going to know by the sound as to how well it is seated on the cog. You don't want to be crossing chains. You don't want to have it all the way to the right on the chain ring or all the way to the left. You're going to hear the difference. So basically you're going to listen for the quietest operation of the drivetrain. And it's going to take some trial and error. You're not going to get it right the first time. And watch and listen as I shift. Yep, some noise right there. So right there is not good. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. That's too loud. So right about here is a nice sweet spot for me. You use your ears in order to tune this. You have a speed sensor integrated into the KICKR Core. You also have a power meter integrated in here. Here we got it. We got a stable, repeatable setup. It's quiet operation. It protects your tire, protects your wheel and your cassette, ride along and laid back.